Hello. Welcome back to my channel, Intuitive 144 Tarot. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day, a wonderful morning. Okay, staying safe, staying blessed. Okay, I thank all of you guys for your love and your support. Okay, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you ain't already subscribed. Okay, we're gonna see what's going on in your life, in your energy. Okay, Spirit, what is the message? What is the message? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I guess I'll take these since they flipped out. Okay, you have you're hired, new job. So for some of you guys, you could have recently got hired for a new job. Okay. Medical state board pass. Congratulations. This came out in the last one of my last reading. For some of you guys, you could be going to school for something medical or for nursing, okay, and you could have recently took a state board and you passed, okay. You have divine mission work. Okay, so for some of you guys, you are on a divine mission, okay, from the divine. There's some type of mission that you are on, some type of work that you are doing for the divine here, okay. You have abundant harvest, okay. I like that. Okay, so a lot of you guys are about to receive your abundance, okay. Something is growing. It could be something that you are planting to grow here. Okay, you're about to receive your harvest here. Whatever work you have put in, okay, is growing. Okay, and you are about to receive is what I'm getting here. You have spiritual warrior. Okay, spiritual warrior. So for some of you guys, you can be a spiritual warrior, or you can have a spirit team, okay, that's guiding you, that's protecting you, okay, and they could be a warrior here, okay. For some of you guys, you come from a bloodline of warriors, okay, that's protecting you, watching over you, okay, doing things in the spiritual world that you may not know of, okay. And you have unexpected income. I'm telling you, it's something that someone is planting, okay. You are about to receive your abundance, okay. Something that you are investing in. You're about to receive some type of unexpected income here. And then you have player energy. Okay. And you have sweatshop at the bottom. I see that you guys are putting in work is what I'm saying here. Y'all are out here planting seeds, watching it grow. There is a major, this is harvest season for a lot of people. New job, unexpected income, okay. Someone could have passed a state board test here. You have others that is doing some type of work for the divine. You are on a mission, okay. There's something that you have to do, okay, for the Most High, okay. There's some type of work, some type of mission that you are on here, okay. You doing the work for the Most High, You are being put in this position to do this work. And whatever this work may be, there's a lot of like abundance coming out of this divine mission work that you are doing. Okay, you have a player energy here. Okay, I am going to clarify, but there is a player from the Himalaya that is here. So let's see. You definitely have someone here. Someone have their spirit here, their spirit team here. You have a spiritual warrior here. And it's like they are making sure that you receive. Like you are surrounded by abundance, income, new jobs, okay, passing your state board, okay. But then now you have this player energy. It's always going to be that one, right? But a lot of you guys are very protected. Very protected. You're about to receive some type of unexpected income here. That's going to help you out on your path. Yeah, because it's like, for a lot of you guys, you done put in the work, you done the work, you had patience with yourself, you are planting seeds out here, okay? And it's coming in fruition for you guys. What is this message, Spirit? Clarify. A King of Cups, and it fell right on top of the player energy. Okay, water sign. You have a King of Cups out here. Okay, that could be a player. Give me something else on this, Spirit. Okay, you have Two of Cups here. So you have a King of Cups that, okay. You have a King of Cups here. This could be a connection. The King of Cups to the Two of Cups here. This could be a connection. A love connection for some of you guys. Okay? That want to connect with you, that want to have some type of connection with you here is what I'm getting. Someone could be very worried about this with the Nine of Swords here. Okay? You guys, someone... I don't know. This energy is given. For some of you guys, not all of you guys. This is given. You could be the player. You could be in your player energy, collective. For some of you guys. You have multiple love interests here that want to bring in some type of love offer. Okay? You do. You have the King of Cups with the Two of Cups. And then you also have the King of Swords with the Ace of Cups to the King of Wands here. And with the Seven of Cups. Someone have multiple options here to pick and choose from. Collective. And you could be stressed or worried about who to pick and choose here. Okay? I'm just saying. And like I said, please put the energies where you would like to put the energies. You could be a masculine that had multiple feminine energies to pick and choose from. Okay? But someone could be very like in their head, stress, worry. Like you got multiple options here. Okay? I see 3 kings that want to come in to give you some type of love offer here. I'm just saying, you do. Yes, you do. Yeah. Yeah, you got 3 kings here, collective. I'm just saying, that's for someone. Give me something else on this, Spirit. Y'all had multiple options that want to offer their cup of love to you. And you could be worried about who to pick and choose, who's best fit for you. You got the 6 of Cups. Okay, for some of you guys, this would be someone from your past that might want to come in to reconcile with you guys. Okay, someone you know since childhood. A lot of cups energy, a lot of emotions, a lot of feelings that someone had for you here, collective. You got the Knight of Wands to the King of Wands to the Ace of Cups to the King of Swords to the 7 of Cups. What y'all gonna do? What y'all finna do, collective? Like, what are y'all finna to do here? Okay? Because you do have a player energy here. Maybe this could be the same energy. Someone from your past could have been a player. Okay? For some of you guys. But you do have a Knight of Wands to the King of Wands energy here. That is a player. That's a player energy. Okay? Someone that's very attractive, very ambitious here. Okay? Someone that likes a lot of attention. This King of Wands energy. They want to come towards you with a cup of love. I'm telling you. Some of you guys got multiple options here. Y'all do. That y'all gonna have to choose from. Okay, y'all gonna have to make some type of decision, and that's why it's causing some type of worry. Okay, give me something else on this, Spirit. Four of Cups. Yeah. I see worry. I see rejection. Okay. I see a missed opportunity. I don't know, for some of you guys, you could have rejected someone from your past with the 6 of Cups energy here. Okay. The Wheel of Fortune to the 7 of Swords to the Ace of Pentacles. To the Devil, to the 10 of Cups, to the Magician. The Hermit to Justice. And then I see the King of Pentacles here. This is a lot of masculine energy, collective. A lot of masculine energy. You could have rejected a King of Cups, a water sign, for some of you guys. But someone is definitely feel left out here. Y'all are about to receive a lot of blessings here. With this unexpected income to the Ace of Pentacles to the Devil, that's material. That's material gain here. Okay? You are about to receive something big when it comes to your finances here. Okay? And with the 7 of Swords, it's giving something that you don't see. Okay? There could be it's given something that you don't see here. To the Wheel of Fortune. I'm telling you, this wheel is turning in someone's favor here. Someone is about to receive a major blessing in their life when it comes to their finances. You really are. Okay? Something that you are planting. Okay? With this abundant harvest, you're about to receive this harvest. Okay? You're about to receive something. Okay? With this Wheel of Fortune, I'm telling you, something is turning in you guys' favor. Okay? And this is happening in the material realm. This is something physical, something that you can feel, something you can touch here. Okay? Is what I'm getting. Ooh, wee. Yeah. Anything else on this message, Spirit? But someone feel rejected here. Like I said, for some of you guys, this King of Cups energy could be someone from your past. You could have rejected them. You could have had a connection with them. Okay? You could have been in a relationship with them. This King of Cups could have been a player. But I definitely see you guys are also... Ooh, my nose itching. For some of you guys, you are also in this player energy. I'm just saying it. You are all masculine energy. I'm just saying all 4 kings wanting to come in to offer you a cup of love. Either that or it's one energy that's in all these king energies that want to come in towards you is what I'm getting. Take how you want to take it. And all 4 kings in one energy is the Emperor. Okay? I'm just saying. Anything else with this, Spirit? Someone is a player. Okay? Look, 2 of Pentacles. Yeah. Someone is juggling. Okay? Collector, someone is juggling. I'm not here to judge. But someone is juggling. Someone is juggling. Okay? I see the Hangman, the World, King of Pentacles, and Justice here. Okay? There's a cycle here. For some of you guys, you could have been stagnant. You know, just keeping to yourself. Okay? Someone feel left out. It is definitely with the 6 of Cups, someone from your past. They want to come in to reconcile, but maybe they feel like you are going to reject them. I'm getting, they see you as the one that's juggling here, collective. This is what I'm getting, okay? Don't make anything fit, but this is what I'm getting. They see you as someone that's juggling, someone that have multiple options here to pick and choose from. Okay? Something else on this, Spirit? A King of Pentacles. And it's right under 2 of Cups. The Magician to the Justice. It's given, this is fair game, is what I'm getting. You got the King of Cups to the 2 of Cups, and then you got the King of Pentacles under the 2 of Cups. It's fair game out here, y'all, is what I'm getting. But you will have to make a choice here. You're going to have to make a choice. Hey, yo. Earth side, okay? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, then you have water sign here. Okay? Pisces, Cancer is what I'm getting here. Energy here. Y'all going to have to do something. Y'all got these masculine energies here that want to have some type of connection with you. They want to have a relationship with you is what I'm getting here. Okay? Anybody else on this word? I keep hearing fair game. This is fair game. I don't know. For someone. Anything else for Judgment? Okay? And it came out in reverse. I'm telling you, this is fair game. I'm keep hearing this is fair game here. I don't know what you guys going to do. With the 8 of Wands. You either about to receive some type of fast communication or message from one of these masculine, or something is happening very fast. And something is happening very fast here. Okay? With the Strength card. Okay? Leo energy. That strength. A lot of you guys are gaining that strength and that confidence. Okay? There's something is happening quickly here. And I'll keep saying justice. So for some of you guys, this can be your justice here. Okay? And then I see the Magician to the Tower, to the Ten of Pentacles, to the Queen of Cups, to the Fool card. Okay? Someone here could be doing some heavy spell work. You know, I ain't gonna lie. I mean, I see it in the readings. Sometimes it don't always have to be like someone sitting around a candle lit and doing a seance or whatever. But someone could be speaking down on your finances here, is what I'm getting. But it's not going to work, is what I'm getting. You're still going to receive this 10 of Pentacles. I'm telling you, with the unexpected income is something that you are harvesting. Something that you are creating. Something that you are planting here. Someone could be actually doing spell work on your finances. But justice is here. Justice is here. There's something fast that's happening in you guys' life. Y'all have quite a few kings up here that wants to be in your life, that wants to have a connection with you. So definitely someone from your past, okay? And someone new. So y'all gonna have to figure this out. Give me something else. Judgment in reverse, Spirit. The Chariot. The Chariot. Yeah, there's some type of movement. Some type of movement, y'all. Yeah. Yo, I'll keep hearing fair game. I don't know. Everybody's situation is different, but I'm keep hearing fair game, and I'm keep on saying justice. So like I said, for some of you guys, this is your justice. It's almost like now the tables had turned in your favor. So now you are the one that have multiple options to pick and choose from. Okay, so you have abundance coming in. For some of you guys, you are on a divine mission. Okay, there's something that you are doing for the divine here. Okay, you guys are planting seeds. Okay, y'all are in your harvest season, is what I'm getting. You have your spiritual warrior here that's protecting you. Okay, because your spiritual warrior is sitting right in the smack middle of your reading. So whatever you're doing, you are protected. They are guiding you. Okay, they definitely protecting you in the spiritual realm. Okay, and then you have multiple kings to pick and choose from. But I'm hearing it's fair game. That's what I'm keep hearing. I'm just saying it's fair game for someone, and whatever's happening is come. There's some type of forward movement, Cancer energy here, okay? So with Judgment in reverse, there's a decision, you guys, that someone is going to have to make here, okay? So I'm gonna leave it as that. If the reading resonate, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, bye bye.